Hi everyone, go ahead and open Word, Module 1, Frozen Treats. Once you have that document open, it's a very short one. It's called Frozen Treats, and we have ice cream, frozen yogurt, milkshake, and smoothies. And if you're curious on what font I used, if you select, click anywhere in the title, I use Curls MT, size 28. Ice cream, same thing, just size 18. And then the flavors of the ice cream, I use Times New Roman 12. I put them in the center, so everything's in the center. What I'd like to do is have these 5 flavors copied under frozen yogurt, under milkshakes, and under smoothies. So go ahead and select vanilla, chocolate through peanut butter. Just don't take anything extra. Don't even take the blank line under peanut butter. So from vanilla to peanut butter. Once those are selected, before we do copy, I like things in a certain order, alphabetic order. All you have to do is click A to Z, sort. It'll sort the paragraphs, which is each line, in ascending order, A to Z. Click OK. Chocolate should be first. Now that they're in alphabetic order, let's go ahead and choose copy. And then I'll click right underneath frozen yogurt, and I'll click the yellow clipboard, paste, go under milkshakes. I can right click and choose paste, and then one more, I can just use Control V. So I did it 3 different ways. Now if we were to look at this document, view as one page, it's at the top of the page. There's a lot of empty space at the bottom, so it's not centered vertically, and that's because the default is to be at the top of the page from the 1-inch margin. So what we'll do is we'll click the tab layout. There is a group called Page Setup, and we're going to click the dialog box launcher, and then there's 3 tabs in the Page Setup dialog box: margins, which you can see they're all 1-inch margins, top, bottom, left, right, paper, 8.5 by 11, layout. Change the vertical alignment, instead of at the top, center, and then click OK, and you'll see that it's balanced in the center. And then just for appearances wise, choose design and page border, and I know there is an ice cream border, so I'll select that and increase the size of it, and OK. And then I'll also choose a page color. Go ahead and save and submit.